Okay, we're going to be working on the Mass Change Lab, so this is the sheet that you need. Before you get started, read through this whole paper. Read the directions at the top, the predictions, the materials, the procedure, all that kind of stuff. All right? So what we're going to do is what we want to see is if the idea that before a chemical change and after a chemical change, the mass of the materials would stay the same. Okay, so I've got my scale here and I've got my system set up. I've got a cup full of vinegar, I've got my baking soda. They are separate right now and they are in a sealed bag. I am going to put them onto the scale, and it says to make sure everything stays upright, check your measurement. So right now I've got 50.5 grams on my scale. So I'm going to mark that in my data table. I created a data table here that says before and after mixing. So 50.5 grams, making sure to include a term of measurement here. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually spill this vinegar over into the baking soda, and I want you to watch carefully what happens when I do that, okay? So I know you could see that reaction, and hopefully you can hear it too. You could hear the kind of fizzing noise that it was making there. So I'm going to make sure it's all good and stirred up in there. The whole reaction has happened. All right. If you could, I don't know if you can see it, but if you could feel this bag, watch when I squeeze.